think I'm going to be using the name everybody knows me as. 𝐀𝐍𝐃 is my name, guys. 𝐅𝐫𝐢𝐭𝐡 came from Emmanuel, and my name of course is 𝐀𝐍𝐃. So yeah, it came from 𝐀𝐍𝐃. So Emmanuel 𝐀𝐍𝐃, and I'm a vlogger. Are you watching the vlog? Yeah, I'm going to Momsy. This thing is not easy. It's not easy. I need to concentrate with my people right now. Okay? When I'm done, I'll go to church. Guys, I'm supposed to go to church to bless this this what is it called again? This bead. I look like a nun right now. You know. You people don't know what's going on in this life. It's not easy. Well, yeah. I'm happy to be vlogging with you guys. I feel so good today. Guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Let's watch the video. Don't be a hater. Be a lover, okay? It's not easy to just turn in front of the camera and talk. So for those of you that want to start your own vlogs, this is not easy. It is weird, I know. Look, I'm literally talking to you. It feels like I'm talking to you, but I'm actually talking to a camera right now. I am looking at the lens. I am being tempted to look at the monitor of the camera, which I'm trying my best not to look at right now. So start your vlogs. If you have something in mind that you want to do, start it. Don't just feel, you know, resentful with every setback you have. Just start something. God, I feel like a mentor right now. So the flight was set for 4 o'clock today, and now it has been. Was it 4? 5. But no, the first one.
5. 2.
No, the flight was set for 2, right? And it was now shifted to 7 o'clock.
5. Yeah, 7.
Okay, then it was shifted to 5, and then now it's shifted to 7 o'clock. I can't communicate myself. So right here with me, I have someone very special to me. You guys already know him. He's my brother. He's my manager, and he's my manager and sibling. I just said you're my brother. So I am going to be changing my outfit real soon. So guys, I'm going to be changing my outfit real soon, and I'm begging this house, stop making a hell of a noise. So guys, I'm going to be changing my outfit real soon. Hope you guys like the way I change my outfit. It is quite magical. I'm going to be eating my rice right now. You okay? Yes, okay. All I can think of right now is the chicken waiting for me. Come see. Here's the chicken.
Oh, until we get there.
Alright guys. I don't know why I'm not feeling tired. I'm feeling super strong. So I'm gonna charge my phone right now. My camera battery is dead, so I have to go and charge it. my sisters what they had for breakfast. Auntie Gary, what did you have for breakfast?
Omelette and bread and tea.
What?
Omelette, bread and tea.
Guy, I don't even know what omelette is in the first. Okay. Joy. Even though I introduced myself. Oh yeah.
I ate indomie and egg.
You?
Yes, sir.
What time did you have to cook indomie and egg?
Before I wake up in the morning, until I've already prepared it to finish. So I just wake up and eat it and take my bed. I have to rest and collect water.
It's okay, Biko. Please.
Hello.